Hey everybody, Alexandra here, or Beauty is a Vibe, and I'm very excited about today's video because we are going to be unboxing this big old thing right here, which is pretty much the size of me, as you can tell, and it's extremely heavy, and I cannot wait to see what's inside. So if you guys are ready, let's get into it right now. Hey you guys, and welcome back to Beauty is a Vibe. My name is Alexandra, and here we love to say that beauty is way more than just skin deep. It is a vibe. So whether you're here for the beauty or whether you're here for the vibes, we hope you subscribe or hit the follow button and stick around for a little bit. Let's go ahead and jump on into this bad boy because you guys know I love me an advent calendar, and Jenny Lay, by the way, is the one who told me about this. She's also going to be getting one of these, so I don't know if they're going to be any different, but if you are not subscribed to her yet, go ahead and head on over and do that, because just to let everybody know, she is the only person throughout this entire time that has reached out personally, like behind the scenes, and said, hey, are you okay? Do you need anything? Like, did I do anything? Like, I would feel horrible if I was the one that pushed you over the edge. Clearly she wasn't, but I'm just saying she is the only person that did take the time to just check on me and see if I needed anything. So I really do appreciate that, and that really says a lot about a person, in my opinion. So if you don't mind going over and checking her channel up, she does a little bit of everything, kind of like we do, which I love. So if you guys are ready, let's go ahead and pop this bad boy on open, because voila, look at that. Oh my God, yes, I am totally here for it. I mean, like, seriously. Okay, so, ooh, there's a little, it says, discover the magic of the bombshell. Bombshell, immerse yourself in the magical world of Bombshell. Explore, unwrap, indulge. Each and every drawer reveals a surprise that's as unique as you. Curated and covetable little luxuries just for you, Bombshell. So if you guys want to take a screenshot of that, that is what it says. That is very cute. I love the little card idea. You don't always see that in the little advent calendars. So nice little touch. I don't think it's gonna go back in there. So let's go ahead and open this on up, because I am so excited. So day number one, as you can see, is the Bombshell perfume right here, which I have smelled before. It does smell absolutely luxurious and just lovely, and I love it. So I'm just gonna try to pull this out. Oh my God, it's like a whole thing here. Can I even, okay, hang on, let me set it down. Oh, can I get it out? I can. Oh, okay, wow. This bad boy did not want, it does not want to come out, you guys. This perfume is not, there we go. Oh my God, I lost the cap. That's so cute though. Look at the little bottle, and I lost the little cap. Oh my God, I love the Victoria's Secret Bombshell perfume. Oh God, just the OG, you know what I'm saying? One of my all-time favorite perfumes, you guys know, is the Pink by Victoria's Secret. I think it's called Love Pink. I'll put it up on the screen right here for you. They don't make it anymore though. I hate when they make a really good perfume like that and then they quit making it, but oh, that smells heavenly. My daughter's probably gonna steal that from me. It's got a little bit of a fruity, floral mix to it. So if you don't like fruity, you might not like this, but it's not heavy on the fruit, because I don't like heavily fruity smells. So that is adorable. All right, let's open up number two. So let's see here. Oh, it's a lip gloss. It's the Passion Color Shine lip gloss. So let me go ahead, and there's like little paper thingies inside there, as you can see. It's really pretty, very, very pink, but it's not super opaque. I mean, it definitely gives you like a little bit of a pink color there, as you can see, but you can definitely build it up if you want it a little thicker. Ooh, it smells nice. I don't know if that's a Bombshell that I'm smelling. Yeah. Or if it's the Passion Color Shine lip gloss. So I'm excited. I've never tried one of Victoria's Secret's lip glosses, so this ought to be okay. Let's grab number three, which is down here. What do we got? Ooh, so this is a Victoria's Secret Bombshell fragrance bath bar. So it's the Bombshell perfume in a bath bar, which you gotta love that. My daughter will probably end up stealing that from you, more than likely. All right, let's see what's in number four. Oh, it's way down in there. What is it? Oh my gosh, it's more Bombshell. Oh my God, if you don't like Bombshell, you might not want to buy this because there's definitely a lot of Bombshell. There's like a little mini baby Bombshell, and it's actually got a spritzer on there. I hate when they give you baby perfumes and it doesn't have a spritzer. But this one, as you guys can see inside, it definitely has a spritzer. So I love that. It's just like a little baby mini travel size for your purse. All right, so that was number 4. What is number 5? What do we got in here? Oh, it looks like another perfume. Please don't be Bombshell again. Oh, are these different ones? No, hang on. Yes, they are. Hold on a minute. It's like stuck to everything. Okay, so this one is Bombshell Seduction. This one is just Bombshell, the Eau de Parfum. And this one is Bombshell, the Eau de Parfum. And then this is Bombshell, the Fragrant Bath Bar. Okay, we're doing good. So now at least we got something different. We got a little bit of a different one here. Okay, let's see. And the Bombshell Seduction is clear inside. So that was number 5, right? So we're on to number 6. Oh, it's a candle. Oh my God, yes. And it's in Bombshell Seduction. I love Bombshell Seduction. It's very seductive. You know what I'm saying? I love this. Oh, yes. I will be lighting this tonight when I get a bath. I might just use my new soap. Okay, so let's see. Number 6. We got number 7. I'm guessing, ooh, it's another lip gloss, and this one is in the color Bombshell. All right, hang on. Let me set this down so we can swatch it. By the way, these lip glosses have a little price tag on them. They're $14.95 each, so it's a very pricey lip gloss. Okay, this one doesn't feel as thick as the other one. Ooh, and this one's a lot more opaque for sure, and then it's got like little tiny sparklies in there. That looks really, really cute. I'm about to put some of that on. Let's see. Oh yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about right there. I'm gonna be bombshelled out. So this is called Bombshell. All right, so that was door number 7. Let's see what is in door number 8. Ooh, it looks like another perfume. Are you kidding me? Bombshell. Seriously? Is this serious? Are they? Oh my God. Yeah, it's Bombshell. Holy cow, you guys. So we got 2 little minis of Bombshell. Well, at least my daughter will like that because then she'll get to have one. So there is door number 8. But I'm a little sad that it's like, I mean, I know this is the, you know, Bombshell, ultimate Bombshell collection, but like I thought, you know, maybe they would just have, I don't know, a mix. Like I figured you'd have a few things of Bombshell in there and maybe some mix of some other things, maybe. But apparently not. Okay, let's see what's in door number 9. Oh my God, it's so cute. It's a keychain. I am totally putting that on my freaking key ring. That is cute. And I am in need of a new keychain. It's literally the little Bombshell, like, oh my God, it's so cute. And then it says Victoria's Secret on the back. So stinking cute. Okay, I love that. I mean, honestly, you guys, for the money that I spent on this, because I did also use a $25 off coupon, I have to say that I definitely got my money's worth, for sure, just with what I have so far. And we're not done. So that was number 9. So we have 3 left, 10, 11, and 12. So let's see. It's another candle. Okay, it's Bombshell Intense. Oh, wow. Why didn't they give me that perfume? Ooh, that smells good. Yes, I love that. Okay, so that was number 10. And then we have number 11, which is another candle. I'm here for it. I'm totally here for it. I didn't even know they made candles. And this one is in just regular Bombshell. So we have Bombshell, Bombshell Seduction, and Bombshell Intense. I wonder if one of these are in Intense. No, they both look like Eau de Parfum Bombshell. That's interesting. That's very interesting. So that's number 11. So last but not least, we have door number 12. What do we got in here? Oh, yes. Okay. So I'm not so mad now. I'm not so mad, not at all. So this is the Bombshell Intense Perfume, and I just lost the little thing. No, and it also has a little spritzer. I'm so glad on these little travel sizes that they put spritzers on there. But aside from that, you guys, I think maybe instead of putting 2 of the little mini Bombshells, well, I mean, then again, I guess it's not so bad because then you can like gift it to a friend or something, or, you know, your bestie or your daughter in my case. So I guess it's not so bad because I don't have to give up one of my items. I still get to keep all of my items and gift her an item. So that's not so bad. So yeah. All right, let's do a recap real fast at what we got here. Ooh, and this thing is still so heavy, dude. You're definitely paying for packaging on that bad boy for sure. So we have the original Bombshell perfume, full size. We have 3 candles in Bombshell, Bombshell Intense, and then Bombshell Seduction. We have 4 mini little perfumes. Oh my God, it smells so good in here. So we have 4 little mini travel size perfumes, 2 in Bombshell, and then 1 in Bombshell Intense, or excuse me, 1 in Bombshell Seduction, and then 1 in Bombshell Intense, which I am living for this one right here. And then we have a little soap that we got, a fragrant bath bar. I don't know how I feel about this. This isn't definitely my probably least favorite item out of everything. And I think I probably won't be the only one, but my daughter I know will love this. So it's not so bad. And then we got, oh, but it smells so good. Oh, it smells so good though. I don't know if I'm going to give that to her. Never mind. Oh yeah, it smells good. It smells like the candle, like literally. And then we have 2 lip glosses and the keychain. And can I just add that I love how the keychain is like one of these type keychains. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, that is all we have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this bombshell of a bombshell, Victoria's Secret bombshell. How many times can you say bombshell in one sentence? Go. I'm just kidding. And don't drink to how many times I said bombshell during this video either, because oh my God, you'd be smashed, you guys. Until next time, I hope to see you very, very soon. See ya.